Hi friends, welcome back to Just Fooding. Today I'm gonna show a very healthy and tasty payasam recipe. So it is the dates payasam we are going to see in this video. This is such a healthy dessert that can be prepared for any occasion. I consider this dessert to be a healthy one because it has got the goodness of dates, milk, and it can be prepared without adding sugar. We need around 20 sweet and ripe dates. Separate the seeds and chop them into small pieces. We need half liter of milk, some cashews and raisins, some sugar, well this is optional, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flakes. We are also taking few cardamoms. We need to roast and powder the cardamoms. Let's take a heavy bottom pan, adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Let's fry the cashews and raisins and keep them aside. Into the same pan, I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flakes. Just roast them for a minute and keep them aside. Now into the same pan, I am adding the chopped dates. We need to cook these dates, so I'll be adding 1 cup of water into it. Just salt them and let it cook for 2 minutes in low flame. The date seems to be well cooked. The waters have got evaporated. Now we are good to add milk. I am adding 500 ml of milk. Keep stirring continuously and allow the milk to get heated in low flame. After a couple of minutes, we are good to add the roasted rice flakes into the milk. The purpose of adding the rice flakes is to maintain the thick consistency we normally have in payasam. If you do not want it to be much thick, so you can reduce the quantity of adding the rice flakes. The ripe dates will surely bring a good sweetness to the payasam, but if needed, you can add some sugar at this point. When the milk is boiled, turn off the flame. We can now add the roasted cashews, raisins and cardamom powder. Mix well, and now we are done with the cooking and the delicious dates payasam is ready to serve. The payasam happens to thicken when it cools down, so you can add some more quantity of milk at the time of serving. It hardly took 20 minutes for me to prepare this delicious payasam. This is a healthy dessert you can have in this festival season. I believe you have liked this recipe. Do try this. Also share this with your friends. And do me a favor by clicking on that thumbs up icon. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you all in my next video. Goodbye.